In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the valve cover on this Volkswagen Jetta. Let's get into it. We're going to pull this cover off. There should be little caps over here. You want to pop those out with a straight blade screwdriver. And then there should be some fasteners holding this down, whether you have some nuts or some bolts, probably a 10mm socket or a T30 socket. You want to use that. Take those out and then just grab this panel and just slide it up and out of the way. Now you can take this hose off. I'm just going to use some hose clamp pliers. Move this hose clamp. Slide that down there. And just pull the hose off. Working it back and forth. You can slide this out of the way if you want. Or you can take the other hose clamp off just to get a little more room. And just take that off. We're going to take this tube off. You want to use some pliers, some hose clamp pliers. Slide the hose clamps over. Same with this one. Slide that off. There we go. We're going to pull up the PCV valve and disconnect the hose right here. We could disconnect it here, but we're just going to pull it off together. So I'm just going to use a trim tool, get underneath here, and just pry up gently. We don't want to break it. There's just a rubber grommet in the middle there. There you go. Pry that up. And we'll disconnect it right here. Just push down on the two tabs. And that slides off. Push down on that, and then the fingers move out, and you can disconnect it. You can pull the cap off. I'm just going to have to transfer it later. Set that aside. And this piece right here, just set that aside. Now I'm going to take the screws out for the valve cover, or the bolts. I'm going to use a hex bit, a 5mm. You might need a universal joint for the back. Break those free. And I'll just use a magnet. Take those out. And then slide that out. All right, those are all out. And just grab the valve cover, rock it up back and forth a little bit. Just pry up, and it slides right out. I'll just use a little brake clean and a rag and just wipe this down. clean it up. And if there's any RTV on here, you want to scrape that up the best you can. You use a razor blade or a scraper. Right in the corner right here where the top of the head meets that curve, you just want to put a little dab of RTV. Just small, not too much. We'll do it on all four. A little less than that's good. And if you're having trouble getting it on the head, you could also put it on the gasket in the corners instead. It's a little tricky getting it back here. You could put the RTV right there in all those corners if you couldn't get it on there. But I'll line this up. And just carefully slide it in place, give it a wiggle. That's good. And put the bolts in, get those all started. I'll just snug them down first. I'm just starting from the center and working my way out. Now again, working from the center outward, I'm going to torque these to 70 inch-pounds. And just alternate back and forth. put this catch ring on here, and then you can put the cap on, tighten that down. Now put the PCV back in place, slide this in here, just get that lined up, and just push it down. With that pushed all the way in, and just rotate it in position. And lock it down. If you're struggling to push this on, if you just take a little bit of silicone paste, that'll help get that in. Now I'll take this intake tube, get this lined up. And get the clamps repositioned. It's lined up, it's good. And put the engine cover on, line that up. And put the screws in and nuts that hold that down. If there's a clamp right here holding that vacuum line on, put that on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.